A legacy of learning. Introducing GuruKulam Institute. India has a rich history of education, deeply rooted in its ancient traditions and cultural heritage. For centuries, knowledge was passed down through generations, from elders to the younger ones, in a seamless flow of wisdom. The GuruKulam Institute draws inspiration from this ancient tradition, blending it with modern educational practices. It offers a unique learning experience that combines the best of both worlds, traditional and contemporary. At GuruKulam, we believe in a holistic approach to education, nurturing every aspect of a student's development. We nurture the mind, body, and spirit, ensuring a well-rounded growth. Our aim is to prepare students for the future, equipping them with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in a rapidly changing world. We equip them with the skills and values they need to succeed, fostering teamwork and practical learning. Our campus provides a serene and stimulating environment where students can focus and flourish. It is a place where students can learn and grow, both academically and personally. We welcome students from all backgrounds, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Our goal is to create a diverse and inclusive community where every student feels valued and respected. Where tradition meets tomorrow, the GuruKulam approach. The GuruKulam Institute blends traditional values with modern education. We believe in the power of ancient wisdom. We also embrace innovation and progress. Our curriculum reflects this unique approach. We offer a wide range of academic subjects. These include science, technology, arts, and humanities. Our teaching methods are engaging and interactive. We encourage critical thinking and problem solving. Values-based education is an integral part of our program. We teach students the importance of respect, honesty, and compassion. We believe that these values are essential for success in life. Nurturing the body, mind, and spirit. A holistic education. At GuruKulam Institute, we believe in nurturing the whole student. Our holistic approach encompasses academics, extracurricular activities, and character development. We offer a variety of sports, arts, and cultural programs. Students can participate in yoga, music, dance, and drama. These activities help them develop their talents and interests. They also promote teamwork and leadership skills. We believe that a healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Our values-based education program focuses on character development. Students learn about ethics, morals, and social responsibility. We encourage them to become active and responsible citizens. Section 4. Beyond the classroom, life at GuruKulam. Life at GuruKulam Institute extends beyond the classroom. Here, students are encouraged to engage in a variety of activities that promote personal growth and community building. Our residential program provides a supportive and enriching environment. Students from diverse backgrounds come together, creating a vibrant and inclusive community. Students live in comfortable dormitories. These spaces are designed to be both functional and cozy, ensuring that students feel at home. They have access to a range of facilities. These include a library, computer lab, and sports grounds. These resources support both their academic and recreational needs. We organize regular field trips and excursions. These outings are designed to complement classroom learning and provide real-world experiences. These trips provide students with opportunities for experiential learning. They can apply their knowledge in practical settings and develop new skills. They can explore new places and cultures. This exposure broadens their horizons and fosters a deeper understanding of the world. Our faculty members are experienced and dedicated. They are committed to providing personalized guidance and support to each student. They serve as mentors and guides to our students. Their role extends beyond teaching, as they help shape the future of our students. We foster a close-knit community. Collaborative projects and social events are integral to our approach, helping students build lasting relationships. We believe that this is essential for the overall well-being of our students. A supportive environment is crucial for their academic success and personal development. Section 5. Your journey begins now. Admissions for 2025 to 26. GuruKulam Institute offers a transformative educational experience designed to nurture and develop the unique talents of each student. We invite you to join our vibrant community, where learning extends beyond the classroom and into every aspect of campus life. Admissions for the 2025 to 2026 academic year are now open, and we are excited to welcome new faces to our institution. We encourage you to apply early to secure your place and take advantage of our early bird benefits. Our website provides detailed information about our programs, including course descriptions, faculty profiles, and student testimonials. You can also contact our admissions office directly for personalized assistance and to get answers to any specific questions you may have. We are here to answer your questions and guide you through the application process, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. At GuruKulam Institute, we believe that every student has the potential to succeed, and we are committed to helping you achieve your dreams. We provide the tools and support they need to unlock their future, from state-of-the-art facilities to dedicated faculty and staff. Take the first step towards a brighter tomorrow. Join GuruKulam Institute and be part of a community that values growth, innovation, and excellence.